Okay, so we've got these radishes that we picked from the garden. And radishes, sometimes a lot of kids won't eat radishes because they're spicy. And these look a lot different than the ones you see in the store. Normally the ones you see in the store kind of look more like this, you know, they're little red guys. But what's cool about growing your own vegetables is you can get like a lot of unique things. I'm just cutting off the tops and the bottoms. So then you just take some slices of lime.
Can I?
And you just squeeze it all over.
Yeah, I'll do it with my pants.
I squirted my pants. For real, I did. Can you guys see that? It's all over.
Mom, this one's squirting.
And then
Put some sea salt.
sprinkle a little sea salt.
Don't get too much.
No, I know.
Why are they all squishy though?
And then eat them. And just putting the lime and the salt on it kind of takes out the heat and the spiciness from it. What do you guys think?
Like,
Really good, huh?
not spicy.
I know.
It's like barely even spicy.
I know.
My mom makes the best radishes ever.